Hey, you know you can use a mud shooter tester for your safety. Let me show you. Welcome to Penta. Penta has designed a low voltage tester dedicated for network electricians like you.
On a de-energized low voltage line, the presence of a high voltage line directly above it can generate a significant and disruptive electric field. This field interferes with proximity testers, which may react to the high voltage influence with the low voltage setting. As a result, these testers may falsely indicate the presence of voltage, leading the operator to doubt or make wrong decisions. The Penta low voltage detector, however, is designed to eliminate these external influences. Thanks to its resistive bipolar architecture, it measures the actual voltage on the conductors it is testing, with a reference to ground potential or phase-to-phase potential. Even near a high voltage, and when used with its electrode extensions, the Penta low voltage detector guarantees a reliable and safe analysis of the low voltage network's condition.
These electrode extensions will keep you far from the danger.
In the field, work at height can expose operators to proximity to conductors due to wind or the movement of the mobile elevated work platform. With a conventional bipolar tester, the operator has to get too close to the conductors. A simple movement and contact occurs, with an immediate risk of electrocution. With the Penta low voltage detector and its electrode extensions, the operator can maintain an optimal distance and perform their diagnosis safely.
Follow me. I will show you another critical safety feature. When touching two energized parts at the same potential, the Penta tester will warn you.
A break in the neutral conductor on a low voltage line, here at the transformer, is one of the most dangerous faults. It causes an instantaneous rise in the neutral conductor to phase potential. A conventional multimeter, which only interprets the voltage between two measurement points, will then display 0 volts between phase and neutral. This misleading result gives the illusion of no danger. The Penta low voltage detector, however, is not fooled by this abnormal situation. Thanks to its ability to analyze the actual potential of the network relative to Earth, it reveals the dangerous situation to the operator.
Let me show you now the useful function of phase rotation indication. Anti-clockwise, clockwise.
On a low voltage network, knowing the phase sequence is essential. A reversal during interconnection can disrupt connected equipment or lead to abnormal operation. The Penta low voltage detector allows for instant verification of the phase sequence. It confirms whether the ABC sequence is in the conventional direction or if a reversed sequence is present. Thanks to this function, the operator immediately validates the network's direction of rotation before any interconnection.
Your new friend will also keep you safe if the batteries are dead.
A conventional multimeter is entirely dependent on its batteries to perform a measurement. When they are empty, it suddenly shuts off, potentially giving the impression of no risk when voltage is present. Without spare batteries, it's impossible to detect the presence of the hazard. The Penta low voltage detector incorporates a second measuring circuit. Even without an internal power supply, it can measure the presence of voltage between 2 points. This is a valuable safety feature for the operator. In a situation where the device no longer has internal power, the Penta low voltage detector continues to ensure the operator's safety.
Thank you for visiting Penta.
I was not aware of all that. I didn't know the tester I was using was not safe.
Do you know lightning is dangerous when you work on low voltage networks with unsuitable tester?
When lightning strikes a high voltage line, the resulting surge travels through the network at very high speeds and reaches low voltage networks before the meters, up to 12,000 volts. Fortunately, surge arresters protect buildings, preventing these surges from damaging sensitive equipment. On the low voltage network before the meter, an unsuitable tester, such as a Category 3 model, cannot withstand these surges. It explodes instantly in the operator's hands. The Penta low voltage detector, certified Category 4, is designed to withstand these conditions without being destroyed. Even when subjected to a strong surge, it remains intact and operational, guaranteeing reliable and safe diagnostics in all circumstances.
This time, you really convinced me.